Hello everybody, my name is Nick. In today's video I want to review the Tiimo application. So the Tiimo application is a special daily planner which you can install on your Android device or iOS device, or even you can use it on your PC or laptop if you also download an Android emulator as me. Right on your screen you can see how the Tiimo's page looks like on Play Store. As you can see, this application has more than 10,000 downloads, so this is a pretty new application. And the latest update was in 14 April 2026. So let's read more about this application. Here's the description. So, visual daily planner with reminders to support focus, routines, and productivity. Tiimo is an award-winning daily planner designed to help you plan your day, stay focused, and build routines that support everyday productivity and reduce mental load. With visual daily planning, reminders, and a focus timer, Tiimo helps turn daily tasks into a clear and flexible schedule. Also, on this page, we can see the screenshots. So this is how the application looks like. And now let's try to use it. Let's open it up. All-in-one planning and productivity. Let's get started. Click on this button. What's your biggest need right now? Just select something here and click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Pick the routines that fit your morning, afternoon, and evening. Start your day with strong habits. Pick your routines that energize your day. So let's select, for example, shower as me and have coffee. Yeah, continue with my routines. Choose the habits that make your day flow. For example, for me, socialize and I think workout. Yeah, end your day with recharging habits. Walk the dog, drink tea, and go to bed. Yeah, let's click on continue. Okay, now wait a bit. And finally, we can create our account. So I advise you to continue with your Google account because this is the easiest way to create an account. Okay, after that, you have to type your name here. Nick, save. Okay, continue. And finally, we can start using the application. So this is how the app looks like in real life. Here you can see the planner for your days. So for example, you can select the necessary day. Let's select first day. Now let's try to plan something for morning. To do it, just click on the plus button and type here the task name. For example, go for a walk. And then you can select the necessary date, duration, repeat, subtasks, and click on the apply button at the top right. Then do the same thing for afternoon, for evening, and after that, then that day becomes you'll be able to mark completed tasks just like that. Click on it and here it is. Click on start walk, lunch, drink water. Okay, this is how it looks like. Also here you can go to your to-do list. Here you can add your to-do. On this page you can add the task name. Then you can select the necessary list, add duration, add subtasks, and then click on the apply button as we did it. And after that, do the same thing. Just click here. And the last step in this application is creating tasks. So you can click on it, create task, add it as we did it. You can select the necessary time and then just click on the apply button. And here it is. And this is how it looks like. You can pause it, play it. By the way, you can do the same thing if you click on the plus button right here. And here is the last thing which I want to show you. So click on the three buttons and here you can create a new list, edit your lists, and group your list, for example. So let's create a new one. For example, to-do list 2. Add a description if you want, and then click on save. And after that, you can move to the second list and add something different right here. The application is pretty simple. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.